Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about some new effects in Adobe Illustrator. They make many shapes and you will enjoy using them. I'm talking about warp effects. So let's start. All effects today work with any path or text. For example, I will write anything like this. And now select your text and open effect menu and warp. The first one is arc effect. Click on preview and you can make this effect. You can increase it or decrease it, or you can make it in the another way like this, and you can increase the horizontal like this or decrease it to change the distortion, or the vertical like this. The second one is arc lower. It is like the last effect but for the lower. Click on preview. It make here the top edge straight and the effect will be in the bottom edge. You can also increase it, make it vertical or horizontal, and the distortion like this. The third one is arc upper, like arc down but for upper. The effect will be in the top edge and the bottom edge will be straight. You can increase it again, and vertical and horizontal and distortion. And the next one is arc. It is like the first one, but it will make 3 pieces from the arc. And the next one is bulge effect. It like a pool. You can increase it or decrease it, and the distortion again, and horizontal and vertical. The next one is shell lower, like this. It looks a seashell, and the next one is shell upper, like this. And you have here flag to make like a flag effect like this, and make a wave, and fish effect like this, and rise, to make your text from down to up, and fish eye like this. It makes like a zoom in the center, and in flat, like this, and squeeze, and the last one is twist effect. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.